Good day, I welcome you to Economics Workshop. We will be taking our study into Introduction to Mathematical Economics. Our study in this video is function. In this video, we'll be looking into the meaning of function and the types of function we have in economics. Meaning of function. Function is an expression, rule, or law that defines a relationship between one variable, which is the independent variable, and another variable, the dependent variable. And we can see a functional representation here. We have f of x equals to 2y plus 1. This functional representation shows the relationship between x and y. X is the dependent variable, while y is the independent variable. So let's look into the concept of what is variable. This is a term that represents an unknown number or unknown value or unknown quantity. For example, x minus 5 equals to 4 is a linear equation where x is a variable, where 5 and 4 are constant. So in this equation, the unknown number is represented with the letter x, and that x is our variable. So a variable is a term that represents an unknown number or unknown value or unknown quantity. So we move on to the types of function we have in economics. We have linear function. A linear function is defined as a function that has either one or two variables without power. So we have an example here. We have f of x equals to mx plus b. You can see in this function we do not have anything we do not deal with any power. There is no power there. We also have quadratic function. A quadratic function is defined as a function that has either one or two variables with highest power of 2. So the highest power in this type of function is the power of 2. So we have ax plus ax is power 2 plus bx plus c. We also have cubic function. A cubic function is defined as a function that has either one or two variables with highest power of 3. So a typical example of a cubic function is ax is power 3 plus bx is power 2 plus cx plus d. And lastly, we also have what we call rational function. A rational function is a function formed by the ratio of two different polynomials, such as g of x and h of x. Yes, g of x and h of x can either be a quadratic function, a cubic function. But one thing that is certain is it is a polynomial. They are both polynomials. So rational functions are expressed thus: f of x equals to g of x divided by h of x. And we should note h of x is not equals to 0, yet the denominator polynomial is not equals to 0. Thank you for watching this short video.